What's poppington? It's your girl Chelsea here, and I want to welcome y'all to my YouTube channel. This video is just showing y'all how I go from these dry brittle curls to these beautiful bouncy hydrated curls. So if you want to see, then stay tuned. So right now I'm pre-pulling my hair. You see I have my section. Pretty much doing a hot oil treatment. A mixture of oils that I'm heating up right now. It has coconut oil in it, Jamaican black castor oil, tea tree oil.
That's about it.
I'm gonna start off with this back section, and you see this is a big section, so I'm gonna split this section into another section.
Sections make a natural girl life easier.
Really all I'm gonna do is drench my hair with some water. I'm gonna take my hot oil mixture. Just get that all over. You gotta make sure you get them ends real good.
Oh shit. Push it out from ends to roots.
Go and twist it away. Look how dry it is.
Push it out with my tingle teaser. Hydrated. Alright. All of my twists are done.
Now I'm about to go shampoo my hair, and I will be back.
To deep condition, to deep condition. We need that deep condition, deep condition. We need that deep condition, This is what it looked like after shampooing. Brushing my deep conditioner to make sure it's distributed throughout the section. Penetrate all of the strands. So moisturized. Oh, look at how that's melting right in my hair. Make sure you get them ends, honey. Get them ends.
This says place a plastic cap over the hair and leave on the hair for 35 minutes to an hour without heat.
So that's what I'm about to do. So, about to go get a plastic bag, put that on his head, and I'll be back. All my curls after deep conditioning. So moisturized, so soft.
I'm gonna be doing these perm rods using the TGIN Miracle RepairX collection. I think this is gonna be my first time using a cream and not a mousse for my perm rods. I usually use mousses.
We're gonna try it with this cream. It should be alright.
spread some over some water, not too much. I don't want it to be too wet,
because it's gonna take too long to dry. I'm taking my leave-in. Just working in that leave-in.
Some oil sealing that moisture.
Making sure it's real smooth.
Okay, so first what I like to do is smooth the ends of my hair onto the rod, just because you want to make sure this part is nice and snug, otherwise it's just gonna ruin the whole look. Then instead of rolling my hair up to the rod, I like a different type of curl, so I kind of twirl my hair onto it, twisting my wrist. I don't know, but I use my two other fingers to hold it and make sure that it goes onto the rod tight and smooth every single time, because that is what we want. And I do this all the way up to my scalp. Then I'm going to take the rubber band and secure my roots. I do not have a dryer. I let my hair dry overnight for about 15 hours or so. But when I took out my rods the next morning, my hair was not dry all the way. Well, the front of my hair was dry, but the back of my hair, mostly at the roots, wasn't dry. And I did not want to touch it. I just left it alone. I actually waited until the next day to separate my hair to ensure that my hair was fully dry. So yeah, separate my hair. I just like to add a little bit more oil to my fingers so that I don't create any unnecessary frizz. Then as I separate, I'm just going to kind of separate my hair where it naturally wants to come apart, because if you just go to pulling at your hair and separating it too much, then you might create a lot of frizz and your curls won't look as intact also. Y'all need to get y'all hands on this TGIN Miracle RepairX collection, because y'all, I am in love with these curls. Like, my hair was so bouncy and so moisturized. I know y'all see it. So I just take a couple bobby pins, make a cute little style just to get the front of my hair out of my face. I don't really like my hair in my face because that's aggravating. I don't see how y'all do it. But yeah, I'm going to pin the front back just a little bit, not too much. And I'm going to take my Y2 comb, fluff it out. I don't fluff too much on the first day, but yeah. Gonna fluff it out, do my edges a little bit. I use the Argan Oil Eco Styler Gel. But yeah. Thank you all for watching my video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And I will see you next time.